Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming model and firmware so the camera supports Wi-Fi. That prevents wasted effort later. Next, get the SSID and password ready and verify your router uses too. 4 GHz, since many CP Plus cameras won't use 5 GHz. Power the camera and, if needed, connect temporarily via Ethernet or create a mobile hotspot from your phone for initial setup. Once done, open the CP Plus app or web interface and sign in to begin the connection wizard. Now focus on discovery and configuration. Run the camera discovery tool in the CP Plus app or the NVR web UI to locate the device on your local network. Once the camera appears, switch its network mode from Ethernet to Wi-Fi and scan for your SSID. Choose the exact name shown by the router. Enter the Wi-Fi password carefully, confirm the encryption, WPA2 is preferred, and apply settings. Wait for the camera to reboot and show a connected status in the app before proceeding to finalize. Finish by verifying a live stream in the CP Plus app or NVR and saving the device to your account with correct port and user credentials. That ensures remote access works. For long-term stability, assign a static IP or set a DHCP reservation on the router so the camera keeps the same address. If the camera won't connect, check that the SSID is visible, the password is exact, signal strength is adequate, and firmware is current. Then retry the Wi-Fi setup after rebooting router and camera.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.